Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are okay. In this video, I will read a text. The title is Evolution of the Microprocessor. Listen carefully. Evolution of Microprocessor. The hardware revolution that brought about desktop and handheld computing was the invention of the microprocessor, which contained a processor on a single chip. Though originally much slower than multi-chip processor, microprocessors have continually evolved to the point that they are now much faster for most computations due to the physics involved in moving information around in sub-nanosecond timeframes. Not only have microprocessors become the fastest general-purpose microprocessor available, they are now multiprocessors. Each chip, called a socket, contains multiple processors called cores, each with multiple levels of large memory caches and multiple logical processors sharing the execution unit of each core. As of 2010, it is not unusual for even a laptop to have 2 or 4 cores, each with 2 hardware threads for a total 4 or 8 logical processors. Although processors provide very good performance for most forms of computing, there is increasing demand for numerical computations. Graphical processing units (GPUs) provide efficient computation on arrays of data using single instruction multiple data or SIMD techniques pioneered in supercomputers. GPUs are no longer used just for rendering advanced graphics, but they are also used for general numerical processing, such as physics simulation for games or computation on large spreadsheets. Simultaneously, the CPUs themselves are gaining the capability of operating on arrays or data with increasingly powerful vector units integrated into the processor architecture of the 86 and AMD 64 families. Processors and GPUs are not the end of the computational story of the modern PC. Digital signal processor DSPs are so present for dealing with streaming signals such as an audio or video. DSPs used to be embedded in one or zero device like modems, but they are now becomes first-class computational device, especially in handhelds. Other specialized computational devices, fixed function units, so exist with the CPUs to support other standard computations such as encoding, decoding speech and video codecs, or providing support for encryption and security. To satisfy the requirements of handheld device, the classic microprocessor is giving way to the system on a chip (SoC), where not just the CPUs and chassis are on the same chips, but also many of the other components of the system such as DSPs, GPUs, E&O devices such as a radio and codecs and main memory. That's all from me. I hope you all understand. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.